Hi, Yuko here. Today's topic is furoshiki no sewing bag. It would be a waste if you already have a furoshiki and have only used it for gift wrapping. You can use it for so many purposes. It can be a stylish bag. A basic knot is very important, but you can master how to do it quickly. It's very easy. Let's start.
For furoshiki wrapping, you need 26 inches of typical size Japanese furoshiki, or you can make it by yourself, if you don't have one. 25 to 30 inches square cotton. Sturdy synthetic fiber, such as polyester or nylon can be used, but cotton is the best for heavier items. Let's master a basic knot. When you master this knot, your knot won't slip while carrying, yet, you can untie your knot with ease. This is a perfect knot. Hold both corners of furoshiki. Tie both ends of the cloth in the same way as you tie a shoestring. This is the first knot. When you tie, pull the cloth vertically. You lay the lower cloth sideways. You make the upper cloth wrap around the lower cloth, and make a knot. This is the second knot. Don't tie the first and second knots are in the same way. It will easily unwind, and if it is too tight, it will be difficult to untie when you undo. Watermelon wrapping. It's a convenient way to organize items of different sizes and shapes, and it becomes a cute shopping bag. Tie the two front corners to make a front knot. Tie the other two corners to make another knot. Pass the other knot through the hole under the front knot. Hook wrapping. It's useful for wrapping irregular shapes, when sorting clothes or items within luggage on a trip. Connect the front and the right corners. Pass the left corner through the hole under the knot from below, and pull it up. Tie it with the upper corner. Two knot wrapping. It's suitable for wrapping long items. Hold the front and the other side cloth, cross them, and pull horizontally. Tie the cloth pulled to the right with the right corner. Tie the cloth pulled to the left with the left corner. Teardrop bag. This bag can carry a lot of things inside. It is useful when you bring towels to the pool or beach. Fold the furoshiki into a triangle inside out. Tie the right corner by itself. Tie the left corner by itself. Flip inside out. Tie the loose ends to make a handle. Make sure the knot is inside and the bag shaped like a teardrop.
How was today's story? I showed you very popular four styles of furoshiki wrapping and bags. You can create your own style. Be creative. If you like Japanese culture and a DIY in Japanese styles, please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.